to understand is that whenever you're cooking sugar-coated sweet potato, make sure that the oil really is hot, and then just leave it there for like 20 minutes until it turns partially brown, and then it's only the time that you're going to start mixing up and down, and then put sugar on it, and then wait until it gets caramelized. So let's wait and see up until the time that it turns brown.
Ulit, ulit again.
Good evening, guys. We are on the finishing touches of our sugar-coated sweet potato fries, and we are live here at the house of Madame Corazon and Dante de Porja, the rooftop of a villa. What's the number of the villa?
5-8.
Villa number 58 here, opposite of Al-Wahab. So right now you can see that the sugar started to caramelize. What we are using? What sugar we did use today? Only white sugar, right?
Yeah.
Because brown sugar is not available.
Yes.
Even if it is white sugar, it is still working for our benefits. It will still turn like brown later on. So right now that it has been caramelizing, then we have to begin. That's what we have been doing. We have to begin mixing it so that the sugar, the caramelized sugar, will become the coating of the sweet potato. Yeah?
Should I post your face?